Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be discussing about something pretty interesting. It is a change in plans but not in strategy. The same strategy on a different pair, because from the past 10 days gold hasn't been moving much, so it's not creating much volatility. It's just, you know, it's creating same patterns again and again, right? It is just in the consolidation phase, so we cannot trade this. That is why we have chosen something which is pretty good, which is the US30, the most volatile index, or even NAS as well. This is also fine, right? So US30 is good for calculation and we can take the trades easily. So I'm just choosing this one, and we can just go one by one, right? So our strategy is we open the trade around 1730. So we give at least 50 pips gap, right? So from here, 581 to, which means 130, okay, 630, yeah. This is the buy, and this is the sell. So you can see here, this one got triggered, and it gave us around 634, 835, 600, 100, which means around 200 pips, yeah. 734, 700, 800, yeah. It gave us a clean 200 pips in just, okay, how much time? By 7:30, yeah. It gave us everything in just 7:30, yeah. Good guys, so this is a good win, so we can count this as a win. Next, so we can see it did not retrace much. Of course it did retrace from our entry point. It retraced for about 31 to 90. It retraced around 40 pips. This is a point to be noted. So this is a good observation. So I'll go to the next day, previous day, just Tuesday. So this is a 1730. Yeah, this is a 1730. So here we give, okay, 50, clean 50. Here we put buy, and here we put sell. If we can see, the market has come down, but no, it did not hit our stop loss. So again, by 1930, again by 7:30 p.m, it got really good, guys. So we can see how many pips. 58 to 472, which means around 400 freaking pips. Pretty good, right? US30 is doing pretty well. So this is why we can trust this pair, and we can trade here as well. 1730, right? This is on the Monday. So if we have taken a buy here, a sell around here, you can see it has hit the break-even point at one point, but yeah, it hit the break-even point by 7 o'clock, yeah. And from at that point, it reached its first pump by 8:15 p.m. So this is around how much, guys? So again, let's do it. 269 to, so around 260 pips, yeah. Which means that it is consistently making 1:2s. But with seeing this no retracement, which means it's not retracing much back to its original form, we can see a clear shift in the market, yeah. So let's do it again, guys, again, yeah. So again, we're doing this again. It is 1730, where we put, let's say if it's here, here 99 means 50, go to 50, yeah. So this is the 50, we put, yeah, we put one, and after that, okay, this is the thing, right? So 50, which means, yeah, this is the 50, which means this one gave us a instant stop loss, which is fine, and this one gave us 151 to 282. 151 282, it is around 140 pips. So we have gained around 140 pips. Because it is surpassed 7:15 p.m. we have to close the trade by 7:30, 7:15. It's retracing back. This is a good observation, right, at US30. By 7:30 is what we have to close the trade. I'm just taking a note so that we don't have to miss it. Yeah, because it's easy to forget, guys. Yeah, so I just put all the observations through back testing. So 95% of the time it repeats itself, so that's not a big problem. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this here. This is why I love the back testing, guys. New things, we just receive it. So by 7:15 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. IST, it's reaching the saturation point. Good shit, guys, good shit. So US30 is directly linked to DXY. So if it goes up, it goes down. That's how it's going to work. So it's directly linked to this one. Next, let's go to Thursday, I guess. Yeah. This is Thursday. It is 7:30, 70:30. Yeah. So 399 plus 50. Let's go to plus 50. Yeah. This is plus 50. Yeah. And again, go to 50. Yeah. This is the 50. So if we can see, it has touched the executed the trade. This one is a stop loss, which is fine, totally fine. And this one is, it retraced back how many pips? 388. So it retraced back around 40 pips. That's it. So average retracement. 40 pips from the initial. Yeah, this is interesting as well. We are doing back testing, and it has reached by 8 o'clock. Yeah, by 9 o'clock, by 9 p.m. it has reached its full potential. Yeah, by 867, let's see, 350 to 869, 360. So it reached around 500 pips or 450 pips. Pretty good, guys. Yeah. This again. So it has opened here. So at this point it opened. So 257 plus 50, it is 310. Let's go to 310 and mark our levels. Yeah. So 310 is where we mark. Yeah, good. It did not hit. And from here, this point, 730 point. From here, 57 means, yeah, let's go to 107. Yeah, here is. Good, guys, good, pretty good shit. And here we go. It has started by 210. It has reached its maximum wavelength by 1945. 1945 means what? 1945 means how much, guys? How much? Yeah, it is around 745. So by 7:15, 7:45 is where it's reaching its maximum. So let's take it 7:15. So it has reached around how many pips? 209 to, yeah, it reached around 180 pips, 170 pips. Good, pretty good. Very, very good. And again, let's go to another one, another day. Same shit, next day. So this is why I love about trading, guys. We do the same thing again and again. So this one. So let's say it started from here. Yeah. 224 plus 50, how much? 224 plus 50 is 75. Yeah. This is where we put, or we just take some more leverage here. We put our buy here. Yeah. So, and we put our sell order 22674. This is 224 874. Yeah, this is the sell order. So we can put as 100 pips as stop loss, and let's see what happened. 175 means 275. Yeah, this one hit stop loss and this one hit stop loss again. What can we do, guys? Sometimes it happens. Shit happens. Yeah, this is a double loss. Yeah. So now, what happened here? 176 to 929. Yeah, 200 pips. Pretty good move. But yeah, this retraced back how much? 173 and 294. 173. So 130 pips. So max moment is around 300 pips, guys. It is from 170 is the minimum. Maximum is 300 pips. This is good. Pretty good. So we have hit double stop loss. It's fine, which happens sometimes. What is the next one? It hit it by 8 o'clock. Yeah. From 8 o'clock it retraced back. Good finding. Interesting finding. Now let's do it again. Yeah. This is again 1730. Yeah. And this one hit our bull run, right? So we put our, yeah. Let's do it. Yeah. So here is 1730 and 63 means 810. Yeah. Yeah, this is our buy position and this is our sell position. The buy only got triggered. It went till by 9, okay, by 11:30, or let's say by 8:30, it has reached around 4099. All good. This is why I can go back again and again. Yeah, you cannot cheat me. Trading view, you cannot do this. Yeah. So 812, it reached 152. Damn. 812. Good, pretty good. Just 300 pips. So by 815. So max. So if it is on the same trend. Good findings. So we have made around 100 pip is the, so how much we got retraced. So from here, 821762. 821762. Yeah, we got around 60 pips. Yeah, 60 pips as a retracement. It came back till 860. Yeah, 60 pips. So 40 pips to 60 pips is the average. Good. Let's go back again. Let's do some more findings. Yeah, 1730. Good. Here, 65. 65 means, yeah. 765. 765 to how much? 765 10765 let's go to 805. Yeah, so this is where we put buy, which hit our stop loss, which is fine. And yeah, this is our sell. So we got around 690 to how much? 690 to 327. Yeah, we got around 250 pips. Good shit. Yeah, 250 pips. Very good, guys. So sometimes it hits stop loss, but it is totally fine. Now, so how much? 811, 711. Yeah, good. The retracement, yeah, it retraced how much? 692. Yeah, 70 pips. Totally fine. So we can put around 90 pips as stop loss. This is what we found. 90 pips is the SL. And 300 pips is the TP. But it is a TP2. TP1 is by 7:15 to 8:15 p.m. is what we have to close. Yeah. This is what's most important, guys, because we are doing our research. So TP1 is around 200 pips. So we are making consistently 1:2s, which is a great win because we are eating up our losses and we are still winning, right? So around 7:30. So 7:30 is max time, guys. Yeah, 7:15, 7:30 is max. It's reaching its potential. Let's go to Thursday. Yeah, 7:30. Let's go, guys, again. 563, 6. Yeah, this is the buy. Yeah, this is the buy. So what I can do now is we have to take at least 60 pips. Yeah, 50 pips. 50 pips is totally fine. Yeah. Or what I can see is 7:30. Yeah. 566 plus 60. On 16. Yeah. Yeah, what can we do? It is hitting sometimes. It hit a stop loss, which is fine. And it came back, yeah, pretty good. It followed the same trend. And yeah, 11:30. And this is where it hit 8:45. So how much can we do here? 503. How much? 5632. Yeah, pretty good. 300 pips. So what I can say is, if we can give at least 60 pip gap is enough to make it really good. Sometimes it hits, sometimes it doesn't hit. So yeah, 60 pip gap is important. 60 pip gap is important. Yeah. So this is the news. This is the notes, guys. Let's go again. Sometimes it hits stop loss as well, but we cannot do much, right? So 17:30. Let's give 659, which means 710. Yeah. This is the buy. It is stop loss, which is good. And this one, it hit, yeah, how much? 659 to 558. Yeah, what can we do? Sometimes we have to take the losses as well. Just part of the game. Good. Interesting. This is good. This is a clean hit, guys. Yeah, 1730. So from 99911, it came, yeah, 400 pips. Pretty good. There is no single retracement. It's all happened by 8 o'clock. Good, good. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah. So this gives us 400 pips means it's going to give us more profits. Yeah. And next, guys, yeah, 1730. This is Monday. 1730, 922, 972. Okay, didn't hit. 922 and this is a sell. It hit out much. It came back, retraced back. How many pips? Okay, from 835 to 909, 835 to, yeah, around 70 pips. So the stop loss is 90 pips, which is fine. So I have put here, or we usually put here, yeah. This is good. So 893 to 784. 893, 784, just 130 pips, yeah, pretty fine. Yeah, what can we do? This is 892, 992. Yeah, 992. This is 879, 979. I didn't hit the stop loss, but yeah, it gave us a good profit, which is fine, guys. So because it is in the same trend, it usually follows the trend, or it retraces back. What can we do? But we'll close it by, yeah, how much time? It reached its potential by 7:30. Again, 7:30 is what we can predictably make money in the market. Interesting stuff. So this is what, 17:30, yeah. So it started here, 8:30 plus 50 minus 50 is 80, 780. And it reached the 615. Okay. By 715. By 645 it reached around how much? 648. 648, how much? Yeah, 150 pips. Pretty good. Fine, guys, 150 pips is good. Yeah, some days it's fine. So we can close it by 715. That is totally fine. So we don't know when the pullbacks can happen. So this is good. This is why, guys, we need a high probability setups. Yeah. And this one is good. 734, 784. Yeah, we can do it. 60 pips at least. We cannot do this. Yeah, it's hit stop loss, which is fine. So 741 is the buy. It hits the stop loss. 775, 675, yeah, stop loss. And again from here, what we do? 640. Yeah, so both are stop loss. We lost around 1% of stop loss. Totally fine, guys. It happens sometimes. We had to take the profits and losses clearly. This is where we can actually make the net profits. Totally fine with me. So Monday, let's see what happened. This is 1730, 434, 484, and how much? 479, 4792, 44599, 4792. Yeah, it hit around 130 pips by 8:15. Yeah, by 8 o'clock. By 8 o'clock is fine. Yeah, by 9 o'clock it hit. Yeah, sometimes it's fine. So Mondays are just a big dud. Yeah. Friday is good. It's cool. Yeah, Friday you can see clean hit. So we can see 1730 here. And we can see 6542. And this is the sell. And this is 5. And this is the buy. Yeah. Just fine, guys. Just totally fine. Yeah. We put here buy. And we gained around 487. 219, 220, 487, 487, 220, 487. Which is totally fine. So it's 487. So it hit this by 1830. Yeah. By 8:30 it hits the stop first one. By 9:30 it hits the second TP. It's totally fine. 493. Good. It didn't retrace back, which is pretty good. Yeah, it hit the order by 7 o'clock. Totally fine. 7 o'clock is what we have to wait for. This one is a loss, this one is a profit. The net profit is, yeah, totally fine. Very good. Pretty good actually. So 492. 492 turns 500, which means we got around 300 pips. So if we sacrifice one, which means we're left with 200 pips. So it reached it by 8 o'clock. Good. 280. Pips. Good. Sometimes we have to make the sacrifice to make a bigger bet. It happens. So you will learn it through this is a down. Yeah. Good. So we'll perfect it, guys, don't worry. Let's keep it as simple as possible. This is a clean hit again. 1730. So 156 plus 50. 156 plus 50 is 206. Good. Didn't come back much. Yeah, we might have put here or actually here. So 236 to 236, 336, 436, 200 pips. Yeah, 200 pips. By 715. Good. So we are making actually good money. 473. Yeah, this is the order. Good, guys, pretty good. So we can see a great back testing. So we are making around 1:2. So per day we are making around at least 1% as a net profit. Right? This is very interesting. So very good, pretty good. I like this. I like this, guys, pretty much. Yeah, this is good. It's a good back testing. So we open the trade by 5:30, we close it. We close it by that time. Yeah. Good. So let's look at the news aspect as well here. What happened during the news? So it happened yesterday only. So it went across, yeah, 17. Yeah, we have to go 15 minutes. It happened on Tuesday. Tuesday the news came for CPI. So it's bad news, but still, damn, this is interesting. So 17:30, so 6 p.m. it went up. It is, yeah, let's check the CPI last time, what happened. Chennai Kuyara the mouse. Good. So let's see this week. So CPI came as a negative for dollar. So which came as negative. So CPI came as negative. It's a bad news, but it still went up, right? What can we do? So we might have taken the trade by around this time. Yeah, and it came down. It's a bad news, so what can we do? So 699 to 541 means 600. 69, okay, 150 pips. So from 150 pips, from 730, yeah. So it came as 730. So it's a bad news. So from here it just went up, yeah. This is all we don't need less. But yeah, this is good. This is pretty good. Yeah. What am I doing, guys? Yeah, US30. Let's go to US30. Let's go to Tuesday. So it's a bad news. It came around 6. Yeah. So I have to take the sell order. And we might have taken the buy order as well, just in case. It reacted positively actually. Yeah, this is interesting. So it can go, so we can purchase here and it can go up. Interesting. Pretty good, guys. So yeah, this is for it. This is the analysis for US30. We understood. So 5 things. The rare retracement is 130 pips, which means it's a stop loss. Let's leave that. And average retracement is 40 pips. And the stop loss we can put is around 90 pips is a stop loss. And by 7:15 or 8:15 we close the trade. That's it. Unless it's in the same direction, right? It's the same trend. We hold it a little bit longer till 9:30. That is totally fine. So our goal is 1:1. That's it. That's totally fine. And 300 pips is the TP2. TP1 is 200 pips, which means we're making a bit extra than the 90 pips. This is totally good. And the rare retracement by 130 pips. Good. Average retracement is coming out as 40 to 60 pips, which means it's not hitting our stop loss. So we can put 90 pips, which is a safe side. So 170 pips is what it's going, or at least 300 pips. This is what we have found, guys. Pretty good, interesting things happening. And I'm going to looking forward for more and more wins next week. I'm going to post you guys with more and more things. Take care. Bye-bye.